iChange4Health. So can you. Visit www.iChange4Health.co.za. Brought to you by Pharma Dynamics. Effective, affordable healthcare.
We can always benefit from being more active, and the 10th of May is World Move for Health Day. Local pharmaceutical company Pharma Dynamics partnered with ESSM to encourage all South Africans to become more active. And to explain more about this is Professor Vicky Lambert and Sharif Hendricks from the MRC UCT Unit for Exercise Science and Sports Medicine. Wow, that introduction alone was quite a workout. Vicky, Pharma Dynamics and ESSM started a great initiative called iChange4Health. Can you tell us a little bit more about this?
Well, iChange4Health actually started with the Chronic Disease Initiative in Africa, actually under the direction of Dr. Kathy Murphy and Professor Robert Mash from the University of Stellenbosch. And they actually have developed a program of brief behavioral counseling, which has now been supported by Pharma Dynamics, actually put into a program which is freely available on the internet, on the iChange4Health website, and actually has been developed to actually get health practitioners, doctors, nurses, community health workers, biokineticists, not to actually be afraid to be engaged with their patients and to talk about lifestyle change. But the beautiful thing about the program is that the tools are really developed for the general public, for people maybe not with such high literacy or who don't have a lot of means or opportunity, and to really help them to engage on things like physical activity, healthy eating, smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, and alcohol use. I mean, for example, if we were to just take physical inactivity globally, and we were to come up with a pill for physical inactivity, there is no such device. But if we were to prevent every case of physical inactivity globally, we would save 5 million lives. 5 million lives in 1 year. And that's the same as smoking. That's a big focus of our research and our teaching. And we approached Pharma Dynamics as part of the Chronic Disease Initiative and said, wouldn't it be fantastic if we actually really targeted the iChange4Health program and actually developed it and supported biokineticists in this dialogue or in this conversation with patients? And they said, let's go for it. And they also suggested that we actually help them with their social media through the iChange4Health Facebook page. And that's when we actually involved my colleague, Dr. Hendricks.
Sharif, how does iChange4Health reach consumers to encourage them to become more active?
Like Vicky mentioned, we're in the business of promoting health through behavior change, better decision making, and changing policy. And to do this, we need to communicate our science. And one effective way recently is using social media, because social media is cost effective. It gives you access to a wide and diverse audience, and it allows for engagement with the end user.
What are the advantages of using a social media platform to say to people, hey, you get off the couch and get moving?
iChange4Health Facebook page and Twitter account with UCTSM provides information on the burden of not being physically active, and then providing information on how to get physically active and stay physically active. And more importantly, what we want from the public is to engage with us and to show us how they get physically active. So we want people to take selfies of them doing physical activity and post them on our Facebook page, especially on the 10th of May, which is World Move for Health Day.
How can the public access the information provided by iChange4Health?
People can access this information via Facebook, on facebook.com/iChange4Health, and via our Twitter account at iChange4Health.
Vicky and Sharif, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
Well, I'm definitely going to like the iChange4Health Facebook page, and I encourage all of you to do the same.
iChange4Health. So can you. Visit www.iChange4Health.co.za. Brought to you by Pharma Dynamics. Effective, affordable healthcare.